DHCP Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol is a protocol used by network administrator to assign IP address dynamically for a large network. For example, if an office consists of more than 1000 members, it is impossible for a network administrator to statically assign IP address to every machines connected to the network. So DHCP helps the network administrator to dynamically assign IP address. DHCP is an application layer protocol. DHCP gives IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, DNS server IP address, network time protocol, NTP server IP address, and etc. Whatever the client server request. DHCP servers uses port 68 for communication, and DHCP client uses port 67 for communication. The process involved in assigning IP address dynamically consists of 4 levels: discover, offer, request, and acknowledgement, shortly called as DORA process. In discover, when you select the option obtain IP address automatically in your computer, it means that that a DHCP client is requesting IP address to the DHCP server, and this discover message is sent out in a form of a broadcast message. The broadcast IP address is 255.255.255.255. Header information of discover message is the source IP address. The source is this client. This has no IP address, so the IP address will be 0.0.0.0. And the destination IP address is broadcast IP address, because it don't know where the DNS server is located. So the destination IP address will be 255.255.255.255. And source MAC address, the IP address of the MAC address of the client, and the source destination address ff.ff.ff.ff, the broadcast MAC address. When it receives the discover message, it will react with an offer message. Before the offer message, the process done in DHCP server will be, it will send the offer message with the next available IP address to the client. Previously, to check whether the IP address is used by other devices in the network, it generates a ARP message to confirm no device is using that certain IP address. After it will request the IP address to the client. After this process, the client requests the server to assign that IP address which it offers. In acknowledgement, it will assign the IP address to the client. This is DORA process involved in DHCP. If the DHCP server is within the same network, we can use broadcast ID and port number to identify the DHCP server. But if the DHCP, we can't implement DHCP in every network. It is so expensive. So instead of using DHCP server in every network, we are using DHCP relay agent. This process is called DHCP relay, and the relay agent here is router. The DORA process will be occurred in DHCP client and this router in the normal manner, and here the DORA process will be happen in unicast manner, the router to the DHCP server. Here the discover is broadcast in this network. The client to the router is in broadcast manner, and the DHCP relay agent to server is unicast. The offer message from DHCP server to relay agent is unicast, and relay agent to client is unicast. Request is in broadcast from client to relay agent and is broadcast, and the relay agent to DHCP server is unicast. And acknowledgement message will be in unicast manner from server to relay agent and relay agent to client. This is how DHCP relay agent works.